Hello everyone, welcome to Placement Hub. Today let us learn to write a code to check the character frequency in a string. I mean, how many times each character repeats in a string. So to start off with, let me create a new class and call it character frequency. So for this we are inputting string from the user, so we need scanner class. Which is an util. And then let's create the main method. So under the main method we need a string. So let me call it string only. So this is the data type, capital string. And then I need a counter, that is C. Let me initialize it to 0. And then to count each alphabet I need a counter array. So that is int count equals new int of, we have 26 alphabets, so we are creating an array of 26 integers. So yeah, there should be an array. So this is how you create and initialize an array. It's initialized to 0 by default. Now using the scanner class, let me input the string. Before that, let's take a print statement. So string equals inp dot, for to input strings we use next line. And then let me take the length of the string. It's very easy in Java. String dot length. So inside a while loop, while c is less than length, c is the counter, so this traverses the entire string. So while c is less than length, now we are checking if string dot character at c, so that's the counter, so character at 0 1 like that. So initially it will check the beginning, so beginning is 0, beginning index. So string dot character at c is greater than or equal to a, and then string dot character at c less than or equal to z. In this sense we are only considering a to z alphabets, small a to small z. So here we need to increment the counter. So what should be the count assigned to? Count should have the character. So this is how we write string dot character at c. So whatever the character is at that position, we need to subtract it with a, because a is the default, so that's the starting value in the ASCII code. So we increment this because count array is initialized to 0 in the beginning. Now we need to increment it by the character value, I mean the ASCII value. And then yeah, that's all inside the if loop. So in the while loop we have taken c is less than length, so now we need to increment c. So this is how you increment c++. And then we need one more for loop, so this counter goes from 0 to 26. So here what we need to check is we need to check the count array. So if count of this counter c is not equal to 0, because we are not considering the other random alphabets which is not there in the string. So when count is not equal to 0, we need to like print. Sys out control space. So here we need to print c plus, because here we have subtracted c minus a, right? While printing we need to bring back, in the sense, c plus a, plus this is how you write multiple print statements. Occurs, so this thing occurs this many times, so c plus a occurs, so how many times, in the sense, count times. So count of c, because it's inside a for loop, right? So count of c times. So yeah, that's it. Now let's run the code and we'll enter the string. Let it be hello. So here see, we are getting the ask a value of the letters. So here 108 in the sense L occurs 2 times, but I don't need the ask a values, I need the variable, I mean the character. So here let me typecast it to character. So this is how you typecast. So converted it into character. Now let's run it. So we can also take space. For example, see hello there. Yeah. So in this, like E occurs 3 times, H occurs 2 times, blah blah. So this is how you get the character frequency. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.